Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Dego. As you can see from our charts, the price looks like it's in a bullish consolidation phase right now, holding above a previous multi-month resistance level that has now flipped into support. That yellow zone was a key range area for months, and breaking out and holding above it is a strong bullish signal. However, the short term remains neutral, and we're seeing huge volatility on both sides, which makes it a high-risk asset to trade aggressively right now. For those who don't know, Dego Finance is a cross-chain NFT and DeFi protocol. Technically, the key resistance is the $1.680 to $1.700 area. As long as the price holds above $1.400 on the daily basis, bulls may push toward $2. This consolidation is a base, and we could see a strong move soon. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.